Hi, my name is Aicha Chehmani. I'm a senior here at Knox. I am a business major with a double minor in dance studies and anthropology and sociology. So with a dance residency, we have some kind of guest artist, or in this case, an entire guest company, come in and basically teach dance classes for the week. Our typical professors step aside and they introduce us to a lot of new things like aerial silks. Aerial Dance Chicago rigged silks in our dance studio, and they guest taught in all of our contemporary dance classes, as well as did some after-hours workshops. Whether you were faculty or a student or even someone off campus, you got to come in and try this new type of learning. For the students who were in the choreography workshop course at the time, they also did a couple workshops and questionnaires with us, like how to get into dance in Chicago, how to go from being a student here to being professional, and we got to have dinner with them, which was also really cool. I think it was a great way to bridge Knox and Galesburg, because on top of the workshops being open to the community, the Aerial Dance Chicago concert that we did with them was at the Orpheum Theatre. So it was kind of a way to get some people from outside of our college community into the space, and then we also went back into their space and performed too.